EVS Notary here with another tip. I, as a notary, and all notaries need to make sure, especially if you're a mobile notary, that your car is in good shape. And typically, I have a Volvo, so I follow the Volvo maintenance schedule. But I've been having trouble with a tire. I got a nail in the tire, it was patched, and then a couple months later, here I am with the tire going completely flat. So I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? I had lots of appointments, but the point of this video is to make sure you keep your car in good shape and notice the signs, because I noticed that my car was driving a little bit funny and shaking a little bit. So as a mobile notary, you cannot delay getting your maintenance or getting things checked out, especially since this could be or is your lifeline from a mobile standpoint. Thank God I have remote online notarization access as well. But moral of the story is check on your car, keep your maintenance schedule going and on time, because we do a lot of traveling, right? So my Volvo, I call her Betsy. If you've watched my past videos, she has been pretty dormant prior to me becoming a notary in 2021, mobile notary, because I work from home. I didn't drive my Volvo a lot, so you'll be surprised. I think she's 2009, so going on 15 years, and I barely have 130,000 miles. Yeah, crazy, right? And most of those miles are from the last 2 years. But my point is, as a mobile notary, make sure your car is in top shape, because there's nothing like the feeling of going on an appointment or going to an appointment and you have a flat tire or a blowout or something else happens. Keep everything in tip-top shape and you'll be good from a mobile notary perspective. What are your thoughts on this as being a mobile notary? Drop your comments below. EVS Notary.